The BBC SYNPOL CMA-32 GVT 365,792 PCB Card offers exceptional performance and reliability, making it perfect for industrial use. The BBC SYNPOL CMA-32 GVT 365,792 PCB Card, engineered by Brown Boveri, stands out for its top-tier manufacturing quality. It ensures unmatched performance and reliability, making it a preferred choice for diverse industrial applications. The BBC SYNPOL CMA-32 GVT 365,792 PCB Card, crafted by Brown Boveri, exemplifies high-quality manufacturing. It delivers exceptional performance and reliability, making it indispensable for various industrial applications. The BBC SYNPOL CMA-32 GVT 365,792 PCB Card, pinnacle of quality by Brown Boveri. Its superior craftsmanship ensures it meets the demanding standards of modern industries, providing unmatched operational efficiency. Brown Boveri, the esteemed manufacturer behind the SYNPOL CMA-32 GVT 365,792 PCB Card, is synonymous with industrial excellence. Their commitment to quality ensures each PCB card delivers outstanding performance and reliability. Brown Boveri stands at the forefront of industrial manufacturing, producing the SYNPOL CMA-32 GVT 365,792 PCB Card with unmatched precision. Brown Boveri's commitment to excellence makes them a trusted name in the industry, delivering dependable solutions that businesses rely on for success. The SYNPOL CMA-32 GVT 365,792 PCB Card excels in diverse industrial applications. Its exceptional performance and high reliability make it indispensable where quality is paramount. This PCB card is engineered to meet the rigorous needs of modern industries, ensuring consistent and dependable operation. Enhance your business efficiency and trust in the SYNPOL PCB card for superior industrial solutions. Thank you for watching.